Did you know that Ernie Gearson is the only Cars 3 veteran to be frowning, or that he was the first character to ever appear in the franchise? Watch the video to learn some more about the famed Spearmint Racer. Starting off with his biography, Ernie Gearson recalls the days when high dollar sponsorships and squealing fans were still a thing of the future. He may be one of the oldest racers on the grids these days, but he's been out on the track once or twice. He's still got plenty of fire in his chambers. His friends call him Giddy Up, alluding to the humble 300 horsepower engine he started his career with all those years ago. Now, going back to the facts that I previously mentioned, he, as well as, Cars on Gasprin Racer, William Overhill, here, these two were, the first characters to, ever be, featured, on screen. Albeit for only a split second, before Lightning McQueen's pre-race monologue. It's interesting because the prime speed and all the cars were going by, and these two were the first to be seen. Thank you, Floyd. And that was pretty interesting. That's quite an interesting fact. And another cool fact is that Ernie, Lightning McQueen, Todd Marcus, Dirksen D'Agostino, Taron Ledford, Ralph Carley, Pontiac Wipeout, Floyd Mulvihill, Murray Clutchburn are all the racers to return from Cars, except Lightning McQueen, all of them, except Lightning McQueen, got converted to the Capital Motors Mark II. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. And and his model is a Husker Morocco, which I believe is the same as Scruggs and Misty Motocross, and probably a couple more as well. Let's have a good look at him then. So he is the Chinese variant of the character. So he's got the raised eyelids. So you got the raised eyelids, which the cars nowadays don't have. Here we go. So he's Floyd again. Here he's got completely flat eyelids, whilst he's got raised eyelids. Which I assume they stopped that to save money. I assume. Greedy because of greedy corporations. And here we go. He's got number 93. He's got a mint leaf by the look of it. Spare mints, spare mints, whatever you want to call it. I wonder what it is. I need to do some research. I actually don't know what it is. Some white rims, like a toothpaste, which is also made of mint. Not sure if that was on purpose or not, so maybe that's the colour of the actual product. I don't know. Either way, you got all the same contingency sponsors as pretty much all the other Cars on races. And the spare mint with some stars and all glitter-y stuff. To kind of make it stand out, for probably just to make it less bland. Oh, bland. Carrying on. Mounting the back, you got some more rough mint leaf shapes. With the spare mint logo right at the back. Here, this time it's the written out to horizontal version with the number 93 in the top corner, and no brake lights as well. Wait, is Floyd Mulvihill got him? No, he hasn't. And he's a Chinese variant from 2012, I believe. And or was that Murray Clutchburn who I got from 2012? No, it's either him or Murray Clutchburn. Or my Murray Clutchburn, that's from 2012. I just know it's one of those guys. I need to find out. Either way, have a great day, folks!